guys? Heard recently that O'Reilly's will recycle used batteries, so I'm gonna take that to O'Reilly's today. And also this dirty oil from my daily driver, my 2004 4Runner. Yeah. So, pop the trunk. Got a little garbage bag in there just in case it gets nasty. Don't want to drip anything in there. I might put a cardboard box in there. Bada bing, bada boom. Just make sure that this is all sealed up tight. Nothing's dripping out. That's fine. Now the issue with this, man, is this doesn't have a handle on it, so I gotta kind of hoist it in there. There we go. Time to recycle some old oil and a used battery. Alright, so it turns out I forgot to hit the record button and missed the whole drive. I was talking to myself the whole time, not even recording. So I just finished up at the gym, but like I was saying, I got my old battery, I got some used oil from the 4Runner. Battery kind of went low on me a couple years ago, and I've just had this battery sitting in the garage for, I don't know, 2 years now almost. So found out recently that O'Reilly's will recycle those. So we're gonna go see if they can recycle it. I know they can recycle used oil and other fluids, so hopefully they can do the battery as well, but we'll see. So, as I was saying in the video that wasn't so much a video because I forgot to hit the record button, I've been kind of writing down my maintenance items for the year that I need to take care of for the 4Runner and for the M4. A lot of basic stuff, not too many big ticket items, so that's good. There's a lot more that I need to do for the 4Runner than I need to do for the M4, obviously, because the M4 only has, well, almost 37,000 miles now, and the 4Runner has something like 220, I want to say 215. I can't remember, somewhere over 200. So a lot more stuff that comes with a higher mileage car. So I'm gonna go get that taken care of today. We're gonna get the whatchamacallit, the coolant taken care of. I like to get a premix coolant. A lot of the times you can get coolant that is concentrate, and you actually have to mix water with it, but you got to do like a specific ratio. I think it's like sometimes kind of hard to get it perfect. I don't want to mess with that, so I just get the premix version. It's like 10 or 15 bucks. It's super cheap, so at least for the 4Runner. I don't know what it's like for the M4, but get the premix version. That way you don't have to worry about diluting it with water. I love these little, I don't even know what they are. 4-wheel drive, tiny little pickups. Okay. Anyways, we're gonna get some coolant and recycle some stuff. Wish me luck. All right, they successfully took the battery. So now I know, old batteries, good to go, good to recycle there. Obviously they took the oil too. Picked up some, as you can see, ready to use, do not add water, anti-freezing coolant. I needed some new funnels, so. Time to go home, eat some dinner, watch some TV, go to bed. So the next thing I'm gonna do on my 4Runner is change out the rear diff fluid. I think front diff probably needs to be changed as well. I don't remember the last time I did it, to be honest. I'd have to look back at my records. Yeah, so anyways, man, thanks for watching, as always. Kind of a short video, I don't really know, since I forgot to record the first half of my drive, but anyways, 2026, gonna try and stay up on maintenance and do a lot more of it myself, save on some labor bills and everything. Keep you guys updated, as always, as I do things, so appreciate you watching. And if you're interested in 4Runner content, M4 content, car content, anything like that, the bus is loud. I'm gonna take you with me, so hit that sub button, drop a like. Let me know what questions you have, you know, as far as maintenance costs, things like that goes. I'm happy to share with you on that. So just drop a comment, let me know, man. Appreciate you watching. As always, have a good night, have a good morning, good afternoon, whatever time it is, and drive safe out there. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.